Ladies and gentlemen, the screen that you see right now in front of your eyes is the YouTube channel of Shinobi Ninja, as you can see, and this one has 120,000 followers to the moment, and he has also a little bit of quite a bit of following, I would say, on Instagram, as you can see. So what this gentleman is interesting about, he been doing music for probably over 20 years, from what I know, and capable to produce quite amazing music. He has in his arsenal a great weapon instrument. His girl, who is quite pretty and and danced and sing and been in many famous videos. So with a crew like that, I can come to the main point of this video, which is tribute videos and music videos. Uh, Even if you don't know how to sing, if even if you don't know how to write beats and lyrics, we can help you. We can help you to record good sound, good music, and make a beautiful video. Maybe you can a little explain what you can do for the folks with
Yes,
the right budget.
yes, it's all about the magic. So it's production, audio is production, and video is production, and you bring them together, you got movie magic. So for tribute videos, if you want to do a tribute for your husband or your uncle or your children, these things are like they don't have a price tag
Hmm.
really. They're beyond jewelry, they're beyond boats, they're beyond houses. These are things that will be here forever, and you can always
As
have that.
long as this drive is the
Yeah, as
CD is
long as we have
you save it on online or so
forever.
on the cloud, as it's not deleted, you can have it for generations to come.
Yeah, and it's creative, and
Hmm.
it's about utilizing your creativity. There's so much talent and creativity within you that maybe in our lives, as we watch the television, we see commercials and they're selling us stuff. This is something a little bit more exclusive that you couldn't necessarily find there. This is about actually tapping into your own spirit and creating something that doesn't exist. Like a song doesn't exist until you write it, and a video doesn't exist until you record it.
Hmm.
That is a tribute video.
For me, when I try to create something, either it has to be a really empty day, so I have nothing else to do, nothing on my mind, or it has to be a really really busy day when I'm doing like a big show and something produced and a lot, a thousand things going through my mind, and that puts me on thought. Oh, you should do this, you should do that. How about you? Do you have those moments? Like, how do you create? What
Well,
like
for me, it's just part of my lifestyle. So it's from the minute I wake up to the minute I go to sleep. For other people, they have to fit their creativity into their work day or their life day. People are parents. People have responsibilities in life. So you have to carve out a moment of time that you can just tune into the universe and just hear and just know. Sometimes things will just come to you. So you,
mm-hmm.
you could be on the train. You could
Mm-hmm.
be in a car and just be like, "Oh my God, I just thought
And
about."
you stop and just
Be like,
take
we
some
should write a
notes.
song about peppermints. Peppermints would be rad. I love the way that the flavor is. Or Christmas
Mm-hmm.
trees.
Mm-hmm.
Everybody has Christmas trees, but when's the last time you really took a piece of that Christmas tree and broke it in half and smelled it? Christmas trees smell amazing,
Mm-hmm.
but we're always just looking at them. So
No, my wife actually likes the real one, so
they're the real
because
ones,
of the
man.
smell.
The smell, man.
Okay, ladies and
Pine.
gentlemen, as you can see, this gentleman is quite creative and capable to build his channel. Let me go back to the computer screen. So this is his. Tell a little bit about your talent that you can bring to the table. The lady that we audience are looking right now.
Well, Baby G, she's almost like she reminds me of Oprah in a way, like a very young Oprah, in that her personality is just so strong and bubbly and just effervescent, and she's beautiful. And she's like a Beyonce. She's like if you took Oprah and you combined her with Beyonce, and she can sing, she can rap, she can dance. I mean, she was a professional dancer. She danced for Rihanna and P Diddy and all these people. She's just got rhythm. She's got style. I mean, her fashion and style alone, even if she had no other talents, she would shine because she's so stylish and fashionable. Like she just knows how. If she could be a stylist, she could be a host. She could be the lead singer of a band. She could be a rapper. She
Quite
could be
creative person.
man, she just got everything that you could ever
Full
want.
package.
Full package, totally.
Okay. So, ladies and gentlemen, if you see that we can be helpful to you, by all means, please reach out, and we will try to make the magic happen. I don't know if you saw some of my tribute video. That's the one I did, like a love song for my wife, and I did another one for like my daughter, and I plan to do a few more. And I think it's a fun thing to do until you can, and when you have these inspirations, reach out and we'll help you to produce those. Thank you.